Welcome back, YouTubers. Today I'm going to make a video where we write the software for a very simple program that is used as a demo program just about everywhere you look. It's called Hello World. We're going to be writing this up in Java using our Eclipse IDE. One last setup thing I forgot to mention last time that we need to make sure is set. If you've downloaded Eclipse and run it, this is the standard window you're going to see. Depending on what version of Eclipse you've downloaded, maybe you downloaded the C++ version or a fully bundled version of Eclipse, you want to make sure that the Java perspective up in the upper right-hand corner is selected to do this. If you do not say Java, or if your window does not say Java and looks similar to mine, just click on this Perspectives button over here and go ahead and select the one for Java. That will automatically lay out your windows so that it looks similar to what I have here, and that will be sufficient for what we're going to be doing today. So with that, let's start writing Hello World. First, we need to create a Java project. And so to do that, we go up to File, New, Java Project, give our project a name, we'll call it Hello World. We can use our default location, default settings is fine for here, and click Finish. What that's done is it's set up a empty project called Hello World, and we have a source folder within there. That's where Java recommend, or a lot of your class files will go. For us to write Hello World is fairly simple. That's where we're going to put our source. To do so, just right click on the source folder, click New, and it gives you these options to select from here. We want to select a class. We'll call it Hello World Main. Without spaces. Class names cannot have any spaces in them. The default settings are almost good. Leave everything else the same except for this checkbox here. You want to create a method that has the public static void main signature and takes a parameter of args, which is a string array. Make sure that box is checked and then click Finish. So what that's done is it's automatically created a default package for us and a class file called the Hello World Main class. And if you remember, that checkbox we selected caused this method here to be created. If we had not selected that checkbox, we would have seen something that looks like this when we created this class. But because we selected it, we have a public static void main method within our class. Let's go ahead and remove that auto-generated method stub. And the Hello World, the purpose of the Hello World program is to just print Hello World to the console. So within this IDE, our console is actually displayed down here. And so we want to see Hello World printed out here. To do that, we're going to make a system call that uses the out print stream, calls the print line method, which takes the argument of string, and we're going to just pass it a string that says Hello World. Once we've done that, we want to come over here and click this play button. So because I want to explain a little bit more, we're going to run this. Instead of clicking play, if you click on the actual play button, it would automatically do the following. It would do run as Java application, which is what we want to do. So go ahead and click play. And if you notice down here in our console, we see Hello World. If that was your goal, you can stop watching this video now. The rest is just going to be kind of an explanation of why that happened. So within every Java program or application, there's a starting point, and that starting point is the same no matter what program you're running. It is always going to be public static void main. So basically what that means is within these brackets, the first line after that opening bracket is going to be the first thing that's executed when your program starts. And so for us, for our main method, the first execution line we see is a call to the system.out.println method, and we told it to print out hello world, and so that is what we got. If we want to run it again, first I recommend clearing our console, which is this button over here. To clear the console, you see it's now blank. Again, going up and clicking the run hello world, and we get that printout. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it.